Now we are going to learn how to process your audio in Audacity. I have recorded my voices here by clicking here, or you can simply import your audio files from here. Go to File, press Open or click Open, select your folder, go to your folder and select your file, then click Open and your track will be here. Now we're going to select the whole part. How are we going to do it? We're going to simply press Control A or Command plus A in Mac devices, or we can simply click here to select the whole part. We're going to click here and now the whole part is selected. Now we're going to apply some effects. Go to the Effect option, then go to the Volume and Compression, press Compressor, then you don't have to make any changes here. Just simply click Apply. Now we're done with the compression part. Now go to the Effects section again, go to the EQ and Filters, go to the Filter Curve EQ, go to the Presets and Settings, Factory Presets, then Treble Boost. Apply. Now go to the same place again, EQ and Filters, Filter Curve EQ, Presets and Settings, Factory Presets, and now select Bass Boost. Okay, now we are going to normalize the whole part. And how we're going to do it? Go to the Effect, go to the Volume and Compression, press on or click on the Normalize. You don't have to make any changes here. Just simply click Apply. Then go to the Effect, go to the EQ and Filters, Volume and Compression, then go to the Limiter. You don't have to make any changes, just simply click Apply. Now, the last part, and that is canceling the noise part. This part of the track has noises or static. What you can do is go to the Effects section. First of all, you have to select the noise part. Then go to the Effect, go to the Noise Removal and Repair, go to the Noise Reduction, and click here, Get Noise Profile. Now, the Audacity know what is the noise in this track. Now select the whole part. I have selected the whole track. Go to the Effect, Noise Removal and Repair, Noise Reduction, and simply you can play here. You can increase it or decrease it according to your need. I prefer 22. And press OK. Now your file is ready to export. Go to the File, Save Project. You can save the project by clicking here, or simply you can press Ctrl plus S to save this. Save project. You can save anywhere you want. That is, let's save it here. Voice editing. Okay, it is saved. Now we're going to export it. Go to the File, Export Audio, and you can browse and select a folder. And mine one is already selected. And simply press Export. And your file will be exported there, and it is ready to use in any project you want.